Inside one of the world's largest modern manufacturing day, massive truckloads of premium raw materials arrive, preparing for a fully automated process.
Premium food-grade polypropylene plastic pellets are carefully unloaded. These materials will soon be transformed into millions of durable toothbrush handles.
The unloaded raw materials are transported through sealed pneumatic systems deliver apply of plastic pellets to the production line, ensuring uninterrupted manufacturing around the clock. Before molding begins, every raw material is weighed with extreme precision and blended into a perfectly uniform mixture. Automated gravimetric dose. Even a small amount of moisture can weaken a toothbrush handle. Powerful industrial dryers remove every trace of moisture, ensuring the plastic melts perfectly and produces. The dried plastic pellets enter the injection molding machine, where a powerful rotating screw heats, compresses, and melts them into a perfectly uniform molten material. Molten plastic is injected into precision steel molds. Every cycle produces multiple handles with identical shape. Robotic automation removes them for the next stage. Freshly molded toothbrush handles are automatically separated from the runner system. Every handle is inspected by advanced vision. The approved handles now move toward the bristle manufacturing department.
Premium nylon filaments are carefully unwound. Automated systems prepare each bundle with exceptional precision before feeding them directly into the brush tufting machines.
The prepared nylon bristle bundles are inserted into each toothbrush handle with micron-level precision, creating a strong, durable brushing surface ready for shaping.
After the bristles are securely anchored, precision CNC trimming machines cut every filament to the exact height and shape across millions of toothbrushes.
Freshly cut bristles are carefully rounded and polished to create smooth, gentle tips that protect teeth and gums. Advanced optical inspection confirms that every toothbrush
is thoroughly washed and sanitized in a fully automated cleaning system. Multiple stages of purified water and hygienic treatment remove even the smallest particles. After washing, powerful HEPA-filtered hot air dries every toothbrush completely. Automated moistures perfectly dry before it moves to the final finishing and branding process.
Each toothbrush is automatically printed and permanently marked with product and production information. Advanced vision systems verify every marking. Before packaging, every toothbrush undergoes a comprehensive AI-powered inspection. Advanced cameras and laser scanners verify every detail. Flawless toothbrushes continue to the final packaging line.
Approved toothbrushes enter the fully automated packaging line. Transparent PET blister trays are thermoformed with precision, and robotic systems accurately place each toothbrush is permanently sealed inside a protective blister package. Precision heat sealing technology creates a strong, tamper-evident package, ensuring every toothbrush.
Retail-ready toothbrush packages are automatically packed into shipping cartons. Intelligent robotic systems verify every barcode, count every package, and seal each carton for safe. Finished cartons are automatically stacked onto pallets, securely wrapped for protection, and transported to the smart warehouse. Advanced robotic logistics ensure every shipment.
After passing every quality check, the finished toothbrushes are loaded onto truck centers around the world. And automation and world-class manufacturing.
From the factory, every shipment is routed through advanced assets. After an incredible manufacturing journey, the toothbrush is finally millions of people maintain a healthy smile. After an extraordinary journey through advanced manufacturing, precision quality control, and global distribution, the toothbrush reaches its final destination, helping people maintain healthy teeth and